When every second matters, trust Nex-G's SOS Alert Wearables Kit. Instant emergency alerts, real-time response, complete worker safety. In mining operations, safety is not optional. It is mission critical. When danger strikes without warning, one touch changes everything. Deep underground where danger is unseen, one press ignites the alarm. Nex-G SOS, instant alerts, immediate rescue. One touch SOS, long-range wireless, 90 to 110 decibel siren. IP54 industrial durability. Every alert, every location, every second tracked in real time. Nex-G SOS dashboard, complete visibility, instant emergency response. When every second matters, make sure your workers are never alone. Nex-G Automation, engineering safety, saving lives. For your more information, contact Nex-G.